Rather different looking place, this one, rather than just flat red ground. It's got some I mean, there's lots of hills around here, but they're usually covered in just greenstone. But this is more like saprophyte or something. Amazing. I don't think this is a digging or anything, it's just natural. Over there with the tree on it. Very nice. Keep going to where we're going to go. You know, people talk about like salt and pepper. Well, this is the pepper without the salt. So black. G'day everyone, Skunks here. Just got out of the car, been here, this is our first day of our July trip, July the 2nd, 2022. I just got out of the car, had a bit of a look around, found a little bit of rust, and now I've got a little target here, so I'll just see, hopefully it's our first bit, if not, we'll see. Yep, that's definitely worth a little dig. Back again, an hour or so later. Second sound that could be gold, but we'll see. So I'll just swing the camera around, flip the camera around, and we'll have a little bit of a look at it. See what you guys reckon. Gold or rubbish? It's got a bit of both sound. So, just scrape her out. I'll come back. Scraped a little bit of surface soil off. Still there. Half a chance, I think. We'll see. This away. Haven't hit any rock or anything yet, so what? Still could be lead or something. It's out. Now I'm picking it for a bit of lead. In fact, there's no way it's gold. A bit of rust. Yeah, that'll be over. Shit, I'm not even going to turn the camera around. The watch going off. What's this? Bit of rust. Yep. What the hell is it? An old nail. Oh. Thought it might be. Oh, something. Oh, I've videoed about 3 false digs today, so I'm not the one that was worth setting the camera up even, but I have anyway. You can have a listen. Seems to be a bit of rubbish around the place, but this one I've scraped it off, so maybe.
Having a break.
Oh, I can't tell what that is. There's a little bit of rock here, so let's live in hope. Oh, it's out of the hole. Somewhere.
Gonna stay around here, or you have some lunch and move on somewhere?
I'll just head back to the car and we'll discuss it.
Okay.
Now, hang on, here we go. What is this? What is this? Screen wire, I think. Yep, there it is. A little bit of screen wire. Yeah, well, shows the detector's sensitive anyway. These are tiny, tiny things. Can you even see that? Okay guys, Skunks here again. This is day 2. Just been detecting for I don't know, half hour I suppose. Nothing yet. I've just got nothing yet. I've got this faint target here. It's half a chance. Let's give her a look, eh? Okay, what I'm hearing is a very mixed sound. Let's see if you can hear it. Let's see if I can hear it. No, that's bloody this thing. something there. Could be a hot rock. Could be this rock. Could be that. Looks like a bit of neat. Something there still. Just deep sand, a few rocks. So. Sounds a bit like a specimen, maybe. Oh, it's out anyway. Strange sound. Might be a hot rock. No, doesn't sound like a hot rock. I think it is though. Probably this. Oh, we'll find out together. Bring this over a bit closer. Oh, I keep putting them off. Okay. Well, whatever it is, got him. Bit of rust, probably. We're down to the nitty-gritty now. Ah, just saw it, it's wire. Oh well. That's all it is. A little bit of wire. Like a fish hook. Which wouldn't be a fish hook, of course. Okay. First one failed. Okay, back again for the third time after two false digs. Let's hope this one's something, and I'll switch the camera around and we'll see what we can do. Okay, I've gone down a couple of inches there. I'm sort of in a lot of this black iron, like pistolite stuff. A little bit of a creak here. So finally, a deeper target. I'll put you down and we'll see what it actually turns into. I don't think it's going to be much. Give it a go. It's so windy, I'm afraid the camera might even blow over. And yesterday there was not a breath of wind. Anyway, go down a bit deeper. Still in the mud. I don't expect it to be much, but I'm pretty confident that it's not rubbish down there. Oh, who knows? Little rocks in there now. Let's see what we got. Too close. It's out. Back here. Split the pile into a few bits. Okay, put it in there. Nah, sounds like an iron now. Oh, don't tell me it's a bit more wire. I think it is more wire. Well, if it's gold, I definitely can't see it. Can't see anything. What's that? Oh, here it is. It's gold. It's a tiny bit of flat gold. Here it is. A little bit of flat stuff. Anyway, it's gold, thank goodness. There we go. Put that in the jar. It's a start for the day. Okay, it's day 3. So we've had I've had one little bit every day for the last 2 days. Almost nothing anyway. Third day, same thing. About an hour into the thing, I finally found an hour into the detect. I found a little one. Oh, I found a little one. I got a little target. Where we were before, there was lots of rubbish. I haven't found any rubbish here, so I've got my hopes up. So swing it around and see what happens. Okay, let's see what you reckon. Oh, I almost got that. I'm pretty confident that might be something. The usual little scrape, make sure there's not a bit of wire on the surface, but it has that sweet gold sound. Or so. Still there. Now I'm pretty confident. Slightly out now. There's a bit of harder stuff there. I'm not expecting much any more than under half a gram. Yeah, she's out. Pile up. Okay, she's in that bit. Ooh, first time, that's good. Take out the bigger rocks. Oh, that sounds like gold. See that soft sound, doesn't have that graty sound like tin. Yeah, I can see it. It's only small though. And there it is. Nice to find something. Beautiful.